Today's art therapy is called Drawing the Line. It's about understanding what's okay for you and what's not. Boundaries are not walls, they're lines that we draw to honor ourselves. And when we set boundaries, we're choosing courage over comfort, and we're choosing clarity over resentment. So first you're going to draw yourself, and then draw a circle around you or a shield around you representing your protection. Now you're going to draw the person or people outside of your shield that you want to put boundaries up with. This could be your spouse. This could be a boyfriend or girlfriend. This could be a mother, father, kids, your best friend, whoever that is, your boss. Now you're going to put some reflection and boundary statements. Is choosing kindness, but never at the expense of your peace. These are not confrontational. These are compassionate and clear. So boundaries are not a rejection of others. They are an act of deep self-respect. You have the right to protect your peace, your energy, and your well-being. As you move forward, you may hang your art up that reminds you of the boundaries that you have set and that your boundaries are sacred. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm opening 5 exclusive slots for private clients. So if you're interested in working together, feel free to reach out to me at Carrie@startuparttherapy.com or send me a personal DM. Heal the people, heal the planet.